So I'm in Microsoft Word and I created a globe that's showing you can see Australia and Asia continents here. So for creating a globe with this Asia, Australia showing inside this globe, you must go to your computer keyboard after opening the Microsoft Word and go to your keyboard there. If your number lock key is off, you must turn on the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 127759. After typing that, you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that this we have created in Microsoft Word. So this is the code. For more videos, you can subscribe.